Hello, welcome to BossBoxBreaks. 3-box break of 1213 Panini Awesome Sauce, also known as Limited. That's your winners list, and I did write Awesome Sauce at the top just in case you missed it. Show them my Awesome Sauce. I really like Limited. There's always a good hit in the breaks. It ended June 2nd. Holy crap, it's June. 8:24 p.m. Central. It's currently 11:12. June 2nd, same day. Charlie Hanna and Indie Bluesman had 5 or more teams, so you guys will guaranteed get some sort of cards in the mail regardless of what happens here. And thank you very much. Ending in 600040404. The 4. You know what? I want to do that box last. Ending in 538. Yeah. Serial numbers like that. I have superstition about serial number. I don't know why, but good luck, everybody. In the first box. First card for Martin Havlet, the Sharks, number 15 out of 299, going to Indie Bluesman. And a redemption. UC Renus, Phenoms rookie, I believe that's for Toronto. And Yan 19. Double check that at the end. Chicago Blackhawks. Timmy Herman. That's unlimited rookie redemptions. Actually not sure who's on that one this year, sorry. Mike Richards, limited travels. That'll be a random between Philly and LA. So Pat and JNC. We'll do that at the end. A thick card. It says Prime. Freshman Jumbo, and that's Carter Ashton, 18 of 49, and that's for Yan 19. That's definitely Prime. So, welcome, and there you go. For the Canadians, Stanley Cup winners, Larry Robinson, and that's M12 Racing. Welcome to BossBoxBreaks. That's 51 out of 199. And for Boston, silver base, 24 out of 49. That's Milan Lucic. Second box, 541. Good luck in the second box. I'm excited for the finals to start tomorrow. I don't know about you guys. Islanders, Indie Bluesman. Base card of John Tavares. 153 out of 299. Had an exceptional season. And for the Blues, an exceptional hit. Jake Allen Phenoms. 181 out of 499. St. Louis is Indie Bluesman. Nice hit for you. You got Nashville Predators limited rookie redemption. Charlie Hanna. We're going to have a random between Washington and Colorado. Limited travel Simeon Varlamov. I can never say that guy's name, sorry. Between Washington, which is Archie, and Colorado, which is the Cup Collector. So we'll do that at the end. And we'll have a random. It's going to be random break between the Cup Collector and Timmy Herman. And this is nice. It's a 49 out of 49. And it's just nice prime deal. I like it. Okay. for Philadelphia, Dave Schultz. Stanley Cup winners, Philadelphia's Pat D. And that'll be numbered out of 199. That's number 137. And another silver, 3 out of 49. That's for New Jersey. Tiger Cookie. That'll be Adam Enrique. Alright. The 0004. Just show you again. It's the special box. I hope. Hopefully it's not a dud. Feels thick. I have been mistaken. In the past, though. Start off with Winnipeg. Andre Pavlik, 51 out of 299. Flyer Fan Red. For Arizona. Nice. Antoine Vermette, 1 out of 25. Prime. And that's the Cup Collector. Number 1. We have a Toronto Maple Leafs limited rookie redemption. That was for Yan 19. A jumbo, Joe Nieuwendyk, New Jersey, 55 out of 99. New Jersey Tiger Cookie. We have a redemption. I'll put that up last, just in case it's something crazy. Hey, there you go. Very short printed, 9 out of 10 for Chicago. Timmy Herman. That's Jonathan Toews. Just going to show you the edges of the, yeah, I don't know what you want to call that. The edges of the dual side are just a little bent, but not much. We'll ship with care, I promise. Another silver, 10 out of 49. And that'll go to the Rangers. Aaron, welcome back. And that's Carl Hagelin. And the redemption, Andrew Judry. Oh, frick. Can never remember. So, I'm going to look that up quick. And these are the randoms we're going to do as well. So sorry if you're not involved in the randoms, but we got to do those to decide where the hits are for the no hit bonus. Yeah. UC Renus rookie. That'll be Toronto. That'll go to Yan 19. See, the top row is all Toronto cards. Alright, so that's Toronto. Now, Andrew Judry. I do it as fast as I can. That'll be Columbus. Top row, Columbus. So Columbus is Indie Bluesman. So that'll affect your ability in the no hit bonus. So that's why we do that. There you go. Now randoms. Eligibility. Thank you. Alright, let's do this in this order. First, Washington, which is Archie, and Colorado, the Cup Collector. So 1 to 15, and then 16 to 30. So I go to Washington. Semyon Varlamov. That's about as good as it's going to get. Okay. 1 to 15, 16 to 30, Pat D and Jancy for the Mike Richards. Number 8, Philadelphia, Pat D, Mike Richards. 1 to 15 and 16 to 30. And before I get started here, oh, never mind. There's just a piece of plastic. Alright, 1 to 15, 16 to 30. So between Flyer Fan Red and Timmy Herman. Number 3. That'll be Winnipeg and Flyer Fan Red. Rain Hosa. Alright, so those I'm going to put aside here. Congratulations to everybody. We're going to do our bonus here quick. First we have a no-hit bonus, that's why we do all that random crap and waste time there. So the first one's a no-hit bonus. If you have a tick beside you, it'll go to the team above. Team 24 had a hit, it'll go up to Team 23, which did not. So that's Pat D, Pittsburgh. And the second bonus is for anybody. Team 13, Sean 1974. So bonus 2. There you go. First for Pat D. You're going to get the third door today, which is an old school pack. An all-star card, Luke Robitaille, that's from the 90s. Eric Lindros Star Quest card insert, and a crazy. I just did a light show for everybody. Cam Need holograph card. I don't know if that's my old McDonald's card or what it is, but it's good times. Definitely good times. Old school pack. Alright, so now for Sean 1974. What's under?
4.
Oh, yep, thank you. The insert pack. You're going to get a hot box insert Alexander Burrows. You're going to get a red hot of A Bear in the Woods. You're going to get Joel Ward retro and a team leaders card of Colorado. I'm only scared of Bear in the Woods. Thank you all. Oh wait, actually, you know what? I have a nice card to give away. I almost forgot the nice card. That's Vanner. She likes the Winnipeg banner, that's all. Nice card. Could be a jersey, numbered jersey, auto, short print. What do we got today? Numbered jersey, auto, and a numbered jersey epics. You could only get those in the Dare to Tear, so it's kind of rare. We're going to give this away to Team 11, and that's Rocky. So Rocky's going to get the nice card bonus. What are you going to get? Let's see.
What are the numbers?
1 to 10, 11 to 20, and 21 to 30. Oh, getting violent here. And Rocky gets the rare Dustin Brown Epics. I'm sure that's going to end up something in trade for sure. Numbered to 100, so that's 21 out of 100. There you go. Now we're done. You could go to your crazy banner there. Alright, there's some cards, there's some awesome stuff. Thanks for coming out to BossBoxBreaks. We got another break in a couple days. I believe it's Zenith. And yeah, we'll get back to some later on the weekend or afterwards. See you guys again.